Hello, my name is Yanis Salmesters. I arrived in Edinburgh in October 2009. My brother has been living here more than 10 years, and that was the reason why Edinburgh was my city of destination. I moved here because I got tired of my daily routine in Latvia. I wanted to change my environment and start new life. So far I've been enjoying life here, met a lot of new friends and learned new skills. In the beginning it was hard to get used to the people commonly thinking that I am Polish, but now I'm used to it all and all my friends know that I'm Latvian, and they will correct anybody making that mistake, but it hasn't affected my personality in any way. I still keep some Latvian traditions as I organize quite few events for Latvian community in Edinburgh. I often think about moving back to Latvia, but I still haven't decided. I would return to Latvia if economical situation improved, but at the moment it seems that isn't happening anytime soon. Whatever happens, I will eventually move back, just because it's my home, where I have spent most of my life so far, and it keeps a lot of good memories.